I went from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in under 4 months. And today, I'm going to show you what we did. Number one thing that you need to do is just pick your niche. So my niche for my channel, doesn't have to be your niche, is beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, which may seem like broad topics. You might be like, Brittany, just pick one. No, you want your niche to be able to appeal to a wide audience, but also a small audience. They have to be able to relate to your videos that you're posting, but you can't have a niche that's so small that no one's going to be watching it. The viewer should be able to tell what your niche is. It does have to be something that you are genuinely interested in. If you would not watch videos based on this niche, you probably don't want to post videos. I do watch quite a lot of YouTube, and I watch a lot of beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. When I'm doing my videos, I'm not trying to copy someone's work, but I am trying to emulate something that I would enjoy watching myself. That leads right into number 2. Be consistent on YouTube. I have not been on YouTube very long. I've probably been posting for about 6 months. I am a full-time hairstylist, and I started out any Instagram reels that I would post, I would just post them on YouTube Shorts. I was not a consistent YouTube poster. Then when I decided to kind of transition and just start making a few little content things for YouTube, I noticed the most growth when I became consistent. For me, my consistency is I post 1 long form video a week. I'm probably going to up it to 2, and then I post a short daily. I'll tell you a little bit about my analytics that I found with shorts growth, just posting consistently. When I decided to start consistently posting on YouTube, I actually started on April 12th. That's my first short, and that one got 1,000 views. My next one after that, when I posted the directly next day, 5,000 views. The one after that, 292 views. The one after that got 15 views. And I know, as someone who is now creating content and creating in hopes that people will watch it, there's nothing more discouraging than getting 15 views on a video that you have edited and worked at least a little bit hard on. But even then, I would just say you have to be consistent. You have to keep posting. The first video that you post, you might love. And then let's say 15, 50, 100 videos later, you're going to look back at that first video and you're going to point out those little things that you probably could have changed or probably could have worded or filmed it differently. And you're going to realize that with each video, you just keep getting better and better. So the video that I found got my first real pop off and made me be like, wow, you can actually reach a lot of people with YouTube Shorts. It's called Wash Day Hairstyle, and it's literally just me doing a slick back bun with mousse, and it got 10,000 views. Right now it's sitting at 11,854. When it was just sitting at 10,000, I was like, I got 10,000 views on a video. I didn't even know what to do with myself. It was so exciting. And then the one after that got 481. So a little bit less than 10,000, making a comeback, And then the one after that got almost 2,800. The one after that got almost 6,000. Boom, 27 views right there. One of them got 27 views, 515, 723, 452. So you can just see I have a very wide range, and it didn't matter really what I was posting. It would just, some would go good, some would go bad, because at this point I was just creating shorts just to create them. I was getting my niche out there. I was feeling it out, editing, doing my thing. All of a sudden, I posted a short that said, pick your favorite 1 to 4. And it is just like a makeup look. First, it was a trend on TikTok. Then it was a trend on YouTube. And it ended up getting me 36,588 views. And with that, it also got me 29 comments. I don't know if this is a true thing, but this is just something that I have found. When your short or your video is engaging to the audience, aka the viewer, then automatically it starts to do well on YouTube, because YouTube is looking for engagement. So they want people to comment and like your videos. They want people to share your videos, and they want people to watch your videos. The more of your video they watch, the more that YouTube will push it out, the more people are likely to subscribe to your channel. And after that, things kind of went up a little bit. So I got my first big video, which I would say 36,000 views on a short. That's pretty big. And then I got 6,000, 8,000, 26,000, 27. But I was posting every day. I was just keeping it consistent. I posted a video and it got 115,141. How did that video do so well? It was just an idea that I had literally that morning, was just to film how my hair looks for this, and this. And all of a sudden it did super good. And let's see how many subscribers that one got me. So a viral short, something that's just hit by random, can get you, that one got me 50 subscribers. And then all of a sudden, after this video hit 100 views, some other comments kept popping up for one of my other videos. So I was like, what? Because this video I had filmed before are. The one that reached 100K first, I filmed it on August 31st, and the one that reached 100K second, I filmed on August 19th. I'll just show you. So you can see it started at a very low rate. The first 2 days it hit about 1,500, and then boom, all of a sudden it jumped up to almost 5,000 the next day. Like that's when it had its first big jump, and then it kept going, and it hit about 10,000, 15,000, and then I thought it was gonna stop at about 20 because it had a little lull there, and then all of a sudden it's like the comments just boosted it because it kept going up and up and up, and now it is sitting at about 130,000. Just think it's because people have watched that full short and they've kept sharing it and commenting on it. This I feel like is proof that if you're being consistent, your videos will genuinely pop off one day, as long as you have some sort of content that you're giving out to people. Guess how many subscribers this video itself brought me? I don't know if you will guess. It got me 464 subscribers from a short. From literally how long is this short? The short is 8 seconds. So an 8-second video almost gave me 500 subscribers. But at the same time, what do you want subscribers from? Do you just want to hit 1,000? You're there, you're posting shorts, you're doing your thing, or do you want subscribers who are going to be able to build up your community and be a part of your channel for life? That brings me to my next point. Shorts will get you subscribers, but I don't just want subscribers who only be on my shorts feed. I also want to get them from my long form videos. So I want my shorts to connect to my long form videos. And that is a little bit hard because in order to get something that's viral, gets a lot of views, it might not be able to directly relate to your videos. Honestly, probably like 1% of my shorts viewers are going to be ending up watching my long form videos. Once again, this circles all the way back around to knowing your niche. Knowing your niche. I don't think I've posted a short that is not beauty, fashion, or lifestyle related. The one that got me 500 subscribers, that's kind of funny, you know? Like it's like this little thing where I'm showing off my glasses, la-di-da. What niche would that fit into? At the end of the day, this short is literally just me wearing my glasses and showing you how big my face can get in them. The reason why I like that is because people are gonna click on my channel and my whole channel is me. Now we've been through shorts, let's talk about long form videos because I do both. I don't wanna say I haven't had a lot of success with my long form videos because I'm quite enjoying them and I feel like they're doing pretty well. My first video that went pretty good for me got 396 views, then I got 319, 891, 333, and all of these have done pretty good. They're all things that I feel like are those general broad topics that people can relate to. I don't have a ton of vlog style videos. I know we all enjoy filming them, but nobody wants to watch you if they don't know who you are, which was a harsh reality for me to realize because I think I'm great. I think I'm cool. No one else thinks that unless they know who you are. To start gaining subscribers, they had to get little pieces of who I was in videos that are giving them knowledge. So hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, even a shopping haul. Like you can show so much personality in that, but people are really only watching for the clothes. They gain little pieces of you and then all of a sudden they're like hooked. Then they're like, oh, I actually really love Brittany's videos. That is what I've started coming to realize just posting these videos is I'll gain like those 1 to 2, I would call them like forever subscribers. They comment on your videos. They encourage you to post more. They say they like your stuff. They're actually very engaging, but most of the time your viewers are going to be those people that'll watch one video and then leave. So what are we going to do to hook them and make them want to be a subscriber? Basically, the only thing I can say with that is just number 1, be yourself. And number 2, with every single video, get better and better. I know it's hard. You think that when you post it, it is the most amazing video. I've had that. And then I watch it back 2 weeks later and I'm like, why did I say that in my introduction? With all my long form videos, recently I went in and I started changing the thumbnails of some of my videos because, you know, when you post it the first time, you're super proud, you think it's amazing. And then I looked back at it and I was like, none of my videos match. People need to know your branding. And I know it takes a little while to get there, but now that I have 29 long form videos. When I was posting, I would kind of make every thumbnail a little bit different, see what I kind of liked, see what style I like doing. And then eventually I kind of landed on this style. I just feel like it's a little bit more me. It's less messy. It is what it is. You know, people are going to click on it. They know what it is looking at the thumbnail. So I did a Halara haul a little while ago. It started out, it got me 95 views in that first few hours. People were clicking on it, they were watching it, but my impressions click-through rate was not that good. It was about 9%. And then I decided to end up changing my thumbnail. So my old thumbnail was just like, I don't even think it mentioned the word Halara in it. It just said like, is it worth it? And then it had a few places of me wearing the clothes. Whereas this new thumbnail has Halara, is it worth it? It just seems more bare bones. You can see me on the cover instead of just like a messiness collage. So it actually ended up getting a 9.1% retention rate from changing that. And then the average of everything is 1.3%. But it ended up doing way better, so I wish I would have had this thumbnail in the first place. All of that being said, is there is no right or wrong to doing YouTube. It really just is what you make of it. You know, you just want to be consistent, post what you want to post, have fun with it. In the end, you will probably gain subscribers. Why? Because people love watching videos. They love relating to a person, and people love finding new people to watch. Why? Because all their old content gets boring after a while. People want new content. All of that goes on to my last point, which just says, do not treat YouTube like a job, like a chore. It should be something you're passionate about. It should be something that you enjoy. People can tell when you don't enjoy your job. If you are hating doing it, people know. Why shouldn't it be fun? You know, this is just a place where we can make some friends, build a community, have fun with it. Again, I'm not a YouTube expert. I feel like the biggest thing that I've learned in these last 4 months is this community is so cool, and there are so many different ways that you can go about building your channel and building your audience on this platform. I mean, even when I get 5 viewers, like that's 5 people that I don't know that are just choosing to watch my content and enjoy it. I think you always have to have that mentality where like views don't matter, subscribers don't matter. You just at the end of the day have to enjoy making some content, because even if one person enjoys it, I feel like I did a good job well done. And that one person could be me. You know, I enjoy it. Keep enjoying creating content, and I bet you will also hit 1,000 subscribers in no time. If you want to hear more of me talking to you, then give me a little subscribe, you know? Let's hit 1.5K. If you guys do want to see more of my content, I do post beauty, I post lifestyle, I post fun stuff. I would love to see you again. Thank you guys for watching. Have such a good day. I hope I'll see you again. And yeah, let's just keep on supporting each other in this community because it is literally amazing.